spotted a JPG 128x96 file on your camera memory card or photo backup. This is a small thumbnail image at exactly 128x96 pixels generated by certain devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view these JPEG image thumbnail files. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality JPG class 128x96 file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. A file with this extension is a standard JPEG image that has been resized to 128x96 pixels, often serving as a thumbnail or preview. Users encounter these when browsing photo collections on digital cameras or older mobile devices, where they are used for quick gallery loading and display. Internally, this is a standard JPEG file utilizing a lossy compression algorithm based on the Discrete Cosine Transform, DCT. The non-standard extension, 128x96, is a naming convention, not a format change, appended by software to signify the image's specific dimensions for efficient cataloging and display. The guiding principle for opening JPG 128x96 is to use Microsoft Photos from Microsoft Corporation. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows handles the display portion, but comprehensive image editing requires suitable software. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click your JPG 128x96 file and select Open With. See if Microsoft Photos is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. If the JPG 128x96 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this JPG 128x96 file is failing to load. First, renaming to JPG Extension. Right-click the JPG 128x96 file, select Rename, and change the extension to JPG. This makes the file recognized by all image viewers since it contains standard JPEG data. Once renamed, the file opens in any image viewer or browser, displaying the small thumbnail content normally. Next, opening in image viewers. Open JPG 128x96 files directly in image viewers like IrfanView, XNView, Windows Photos, or Preview on macOS without renaming. Most modern viewers detect the JPEG file signature regardless of extension and display the thumbnail. Drag the file into the viewer or use Open With for direct access. Finally, finding original images. JPG 128x96 thumbnails reference full-size source images stored on the same device. Check related folders on the camera or device for the original high-resolution photographs, which contain better quality versions of the same image. The thumbnail naming may indicate the parent image file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.